Hello traders, a quick video from Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Technologies here, showing off our picture-in-picture chart here. I've got a weekly chart that is picture-in-pictured inside a daily chart here, so we can look at different breakout levels of stocks. And we've got our proprietary stock races here. So on the left side, we've got live data. It's moving right now. These are stocks that are on move currently relatively strong from the open. Customizable scan that I've created. I can share it. It can be edited. You could start your own as a user from scratch. On the right side, we've got a watch list here. Stocks that have won the races. I've set them for 3-minute races. Of course, again, customizable if you want to see it. So we can see on this watch list, we've got TOP, for example. Huge move, pullback. We'll see what happens, right? We've got BBAI. Another stock's made a sizable move for a small price, a pullback, we'll see what happens. Something like, what else do we have? IONQ here, right? Early on in a big move, since pulled back, we'll see again what happens. Again, on the left side here, AAOI is moving live in real time. We can see right here on the 5-minute chart, this daily chart, this weekly chart, what's going on. IMUX here, right? See the daily chart, looks like it's trying to break out a little bit on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, we can see how down it is on the long-term picture. All right, we've got EXTR. Again, one more stock here, really highlighting this on the move, live, real time. So the kind of data that we are providing here at Trade Ideas for you to make the fastest and most informed decisions based on your trading and risk plan. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll catch you in another video.